Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. Infosys hiring through InfyTQ, which is the biggest off-campus drive for 2024 batch. Infosys is hiring for SE, SP and DSC role of salary package 3.6, 6.25 and 9.5. In this video, we'll discuss complete eligibility criteria, examination process and steps to take the Infosys certification exam. Coming to the eligibility criteria, you should either be a BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or an MCM student graduating in 2024. Now moving on to the complete examination process. Infosys certification test comprises of 3 examination rounds and the 3 rounds are qualifier round, certification round and advantage round. Qualifier round is the first round of Infosys certification examination. It is a mandatory examination which will test your knowledge on programming and DBMS and will include aptitude questions as well. Clearing the qualifier round ensures your eligibility to take Infosys certification. At the time of registration for qualifier round, you will have the options to choose programming languages between Java and Python, and you can select a date and time slot that is most suitable for you to take the examination. You can attempt the qualifier round examination from anywhere and from any system provided it has a web camera. And second is the certification round. This round will assess your in-depth programming and database management skills through objective and hands-on questions. On scoring 65% or more than 65% in certification round, and after going through necessary checks, you will become eligible to appear for the behavioral interview on the same day. If you clear the interview, you will receive an offer for the role of system engineer and become an Infosys certified software programmer. And the third round is the advantage round. This is an optional round for those who clear certification round to gain an advantage and win job opportunities for technical roles of specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer at Infosys. If you clear the round, you will receive a pre-placement interview opportunity for the specialist programmer and the digital specialist engineer role and become an Infosys certified software programmer. Now moving on to the steps to take the Infosys certification examination. Register for Infosys certification on the page link which I'll be providing in the description box. Book a test slot from the available options and select the preferred programming language, either it is Java or Python, for qualifying round. Complete the recommended courses to gain a head start in your preparation for the examinations. And one of the most important thing is to check your system compatibility. Here to apply it for the certification examination. Read the examination guidelines carefully before appearing for the test on the scheduled date and time. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.